99% React developer will fail to answer this question or at least struggle in the interview. Hey Swadhin, can you tell me what is streaming server-side rendering and how it is different from progressive hydration? Yes, progressive hydration delays the client-side execution of JavaScript until they are really needed. It loads only above the full content. Though it has so many advantages, it has one disadvantage that we still wait for server to send the initial HTML. Then only we can progressively add JavaScript to it. If the HTML is longer, then user can see a blank page or a skeleton of the page. This we can solve using streaming SSR, in which instead of sending the entire HTML, we can send a chunk of the HTML which is needed. This reduces time to first byte so that user can see as soon as possible. Let's take an example, okay, in which in this diagram you can see that using normal SSR, we first wait for the entire page to be loaded, then we render it. That's why the first byte to loaded time is more. In case of streaming SSR, you can see the load to the first byte is faster because we are sending chunk of the HTML instead of the entire HTML. This automatically improves our LCPs. We can do this in React and Next.js using render to node stream as you can show in the diagram. Interesting. To summarize it, progressive hydration is required for client-side optimization and this is required for the server-side optimization. Am I correct? Yes, you're correct. Superb. Then do you have any link to read more about it? Can you share those? Sure. I can share some links and repo link in which you can see some examples. We can comment link for that on the video.